Most people get this wrong. They think privacy coins are only for hiding transactions or doing something suspicious. But that is not the full story. Privacy coins are actually about financial control, data protection, and transaction security in a world where every payment is tracked. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming all privacy coins are the same. Some focus on strong encryption. Others focus on fast, anonymous payments. And a few are struggling with regulation and adoption issues. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, privacy coins are not just about anonymity. They are about choosing how much financial information you want to expose in a world where blockchain transparency is becoming the default. In this video, you are going to learn the best privacy coins to buy in 2026, how they actually work, which ones are still relevant, and which ones you should be careful with. We are going to keep this simple. No technical overload. Just real explanations with real examples, so you understand what actually matters. Let's start from the basics first. A privacy coin is a cryptocurrency designed to hide transaction details like sender, receiver, and amount. For example, Alex sends Bitcoin to Jake. On Bitcoin, anyone can see that transaction on the blockchain. But with privacy coins, that information is hidden or encrypted. Now here's where it gets interesting. Privacy does not mean illegal. It simply means control over financial data. In 2026, this matters more than ever, because blockchain analysis tools have become extremely advanced. Governments and companies can track most public crypto transactions easily. So privacy coins are becoming a response to that transparency. Now let's look at the best privacy coins in 2026 based on technology, adoption, and real-world usability. We will go one by one and explain what makes each one important. Starting with the first privacy coin. This is one of the most well-known privacy-focused cryptocurrencies in the world. It uses advanced cryptographic techniques to hide transaction details completely on its network. For example, John sends funds to a friend using this coin. The transaction exists on the blockchain, but the sender, receiver, and amount are not publicly visible. Now, here's the problem. Strong privacy sometimes comes with slower transaction speeds and higher computational requirements. But here's the trade-off. You get some of the strongest financial privacy available in crypto today. This coin is best for users who prioritize maximum anonymity over speed. Now let's move to the second privacy coin. This one is more focused on optional privacy rather than forced privacy. That means users can choose whether to make transactions private or public. For example, Jake uses this coin for normal transfers when transparency is fine, but switches to private mode when he wants confidentiality. Now here's where it gets interesting. This flexibility makes it more acceptable to exchanges and regulators compared to fully anonymous systems. But here's the limitation. Because privacy is optional, not all transactions are hidden by default. This coin is best for users who want flexibility between transparency and privacy. Now let's talk about the third privacy coin. This one focuses heavily on mobile-friendly private payments. It is designed for everyday transactions like sending money, paying for services, or small transfers. For example, Alex uses it to pay freelancers without revealing financial details publicly on a blockchain. Now, here is the key advantage. It is lightweight and faster compared to older privacy coins. But here is the challenge. It is still building adoption, so liquidity can be lower compared to major cryptocurrencies. This coin is best for users who want simple, private, everyday payments. Now let's pause for a moment because this is important. Privacy coins are often misunderstood because people think anonymity equals secrecy from law enforcement. But in reality, most privacy coins are designed for data protection, not illegal activity. Just like you use curtains at home for privacy, not because you are doing something wrong. Now let's talk about something most people overlook. Regulation risk. This is where privacy coins become tricky. Some exchanges have delisted certain privacy coins due to regulatory pressure. So even if a coin has strong technology, accessibility can vary depending on your country. For example, Jake might be able to buy a privacy coin easily in one region, but struggle in another due to exchange restrictions. Now here's where it gets interesting. Despite regulation pressure, Privacy coins continue to evolve because demand for financial privacy is not going away. In fact, it is increasing as digital surveillance tools become more advanced. Now, let's compare the key differences between the top privacy coins. The first coin offers maximum privacy with strong encryption but slower transactions. The second coin offers flexible privacy with better exchange support. The third coin offers fast, everyday privacy but still growing in adoption. Now let's talk about real-world use cases so you understand when privacy coins actually matter. One use case is business payments. Companies sometimes need to protect supplier or salary information. Another use case is personal financial privacy. Some users simply do not want every transaction publicly visible. Another use case is cross-border payments where privacy reduces exposure of financial data. For example, Alex sends international payments to freelancers. Using a privacy coin ensures the transaction details are not publicly exposed. Now here's a common mistake. Many beginners buy privacy coins without understanding liquidity. That means they struggle to convert them back into fiat or other cryptocurrencies. So always check whether the coin is supported on major exchanges before investing. Another mistake is ignoring wallet compatibility. Some privacy coins require specialized wallets for full privacy features. Now let's talk about the future of privacy coins in 2026 and beyond. Privacy technology is evolving rapidly. New systems are combining privacy with scalability, making transactions faster and more efficient. At the same time, regulatory discussions are pushing privacy coins toward more transparent compliance options. This means the future will likely include hybrid systems where privacy is optional but controlled. Now here is the key takeaway. Privacy coins are not just about hiding information. They are about choosing what information is shared and what stays private. In 2026, the best privacy coins are those that balance privacy, usability, and real-world adoption. The first coin is best for maximum anonymity. The second is best for flexibility. The third is best for everyday private payments. So your choice depends on your personal needs. If you want full privacy, go for the strongest encryption-based option. If you want balance, choose the flexible one. If you want simplicity, choose the mobile-focused coin. But always remember, privacy comes with responsibility. You must understand regulations in your region and use these tools legally and ethically. To summarize everything, privacy coins protect transaction data from public visibility. They use cryptographic methods to ensure financial privacy. In 2026, they are evolving rapidly but still face regulatory challenges. And the best choice depends on your balance between privacy, speed, and accessibility. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your thoughts on financial privacy, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of crypto trends that actually matter in real life.